us off. Welcome back to the French kitchen. As I promised you, bonjour, bonjour. Mange tout, Genois, mange tout. Today we will be enjoying our French gastronomique snails, okay? So, escargots, I believe, is the French term. And I'm going to teach you how to eat these little pescas. Now, I have my French kit over here, my darling. We have our duck canard, which is a cassoulet of duck. We have our garlic and our onions and our red wine. This is not to make out that these are French things, but they are. So that's what they're doing there. They are on my set to make it to look fantastic. That was Italian and I'm supposed to be French. Now, another person has commented that they think I look like, ooh, Betty. What am I going to do, Betty? Frank Spencer. Well, I tell you now, I am not. Bonjour, bonjour. In a moment, my son Harry will be joining me for a lesson in how to eat escargots, which are bubbling away in the oven as I speak. So come back in a minute and we will enjoy. Bonjour. Avec quoi?
Au revoir.
Au revoir. Bonjour. And we are back with my son Harry and my other son Hank. Now, if you come closer, my darling, you'll see we have taken our snails out of the oven and they are bubbling in our lovely herby garlic butter. Okay? Now, what you need now is some tongs. Okay. Now, I remember this type of thing from a famous film, Pretty Woman.
Slippery little suckers.
Slippery little suckers, Genois. That's right. So, Harry, which one shall we go for? Choose your snail. Right. We're going to hold this one here. This is a bubbly little, slippery little sucker. This is not easy, I might add to everybody. Okay? So I'm going to take him in a firm grip of this slippery sucker.
Oh.
Now what you need then is a snail pick, which I've got here. It's actually a corn on the cob stick. It's the same thing. And you've got to get right in there. Hold him tight. Oh, come on, you little pesca. I might even have to hold him with this. And get him out of here. Come on, you little pesca. Stop hiding from me. Oh, he doesn't want to come out of this one. He wants to stay at home. Let's try another one.
He's a good one.
He's a good one, says Genois. Here we go again. Hold this little pesca. Now, he's very, very hot. Here, we're going to get this one out, I'm sure. Here he comes. Oh, he looks hot.
He looks really hot. Oh, my God.
Shall I go first, Harry?
Yeah.
Okay, come close,
3,
babe.
2, 1, go.
Ew.
Ooh, moo.
It looks like a bogey.
Does it like a bogey? And it tastes like a mussel or a cockle in a lovely, lovely
Oh, you like them,
herby
Haz?
butter
You
sauce.
like them? Mussels?
Yeah, right, we're going to try again. One more time, please.
Are you going to eat a bogey
My
again?
clamp isn't working very well.
You're going to eat a bogey again.
It is not a bogey. It is a snail.
No, your brain's the size of a bogey.
Don't be silly. Right, come on, you little pescas. Out you come. Baby, they are hiding from me.
Ooh.
Oh, find me another one.
Him?
Lovely.
Next this one.
Let's just get one of these pescas out for you, Harry. Oh, this one wants to come. He
Here's
wants to
one.
come and play. Oh, look at the lovely butter on
I
him.
got the-
Do you want to blow him? Blow him, he's very, very hot. Very hot. Now,
Doesn't try anything.
You are a lucky boy.
Yay, well done,
You don't
Haz.
want it? Come on, Harry. You can do this.
You want a bogey?
What's it taste like, Harry? What's it taste like? He doesn't eat bogies, so he wouldn't know. What's it taste like, Harry?
That is literally a mussel.
A mussel.
A mussel,
Garlicky mussel.
flavoured, garlicky, buttery escargot. So, everybody, it's your turn.
I don't want to eat one.
You don't want to eat one more. Let's say to everyone then, guys.
I want more.
Harry wants more. I want more. Jenny can't wait to try hers. Jake doesn't want
Not on
one.
film.
But what do we say to everybody? We say stay in,
Eat well,
eat well, and stay safe.
I stay safe.
Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Au revoir.